All right, it's loud in here. Literally under the gym right now. Wyatt and I are literally writing down the lyrics and we're busting out a rap. Come on, Wyatt, let's hear a beat. Beep, beep. Anyways, everyone's sleds are blown up or broken, and Wyatt doesn't have transportation because he bought a Tacoma. We're all broke down. I'm not gonna get a video in this weekend, but we are installing a pretty sweet wrap. We're gonna show you how to do a wrap. Thank you, Deviant Ink, for this beauty. Wyatt always moves so fast. Basically, you just take the stickers off with the razor blade, wipe it down with Gooby Gone. Gooby Gone? Gooby Gone. Goof off. Wipe that down, take it nice clean, and then go over it again with a window cleaner. And after that, Wyatt does all the work, so I don't even know what to say. So as Wyatt said, just start laying, then you can go over the heat gun. Per usual, the camera died. Had to recharge, ready to go again. I'm starting to learn. Alright, day 2 on this wrap. Wyatt pretty much got everything settled yesterday. I'm just going over some of the spots that started to peel up and finish touches on. Some of the spots you can use super glue. Most of the time it's just heat gun and wipe it down. Did that, I was able to find a couple spots that we missed. Didn't hit hard enough for the heat. So I guess it doesn't hurt to go over. And that is how you wrap a snowmobile. Wyatt has only done about a dozen of them, and I mean, getting pretty freaking good at it. He was my mentor, so that's saying something. Anyone can do it. If you're not daring enough to do it yourself, make sure to hit us up at cardboardfilmsmaine.com. We'll do it. Wyatt will do it, I won't do anything.